Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add money in Vanguard. Now Vanguard is an investment platform. You can invest money into different pensions, stocks and shares, I say S&P 500. Okay, so once you go to Vanguard, you're going to go into the Vanguard funds. Now here's going to show you how you can fund your account and different types of your account. So you can have a live strategy 20% equity fund, which I do believe that you put 20% of it into shares. This is the 40% equity, then you got 60%, then you've got 100% equity fund, and you've got different aspects. And here on the left side you can see what region you want. So let's say we want just Europe. Let's say we want a typically low risk level, like let's say 3. And here is all of these investments centers or investment portfolios or different accounts that you can access that are quite low level in risk. Of course, if you want a higher risk, let's say for like level 6 for example, so these are a much higher risk level, which means you can potentially lose your money. So equity fund for example, stock index fund, stuff like this. These are stuff that of course you can invest your money in, but the higher risk of you losing your money is much higher. So a lot of people do go for the global or for the emergency markets with a much lower rewards, such as S&P 500, because it has a 10% return market, so you can make money every single year if you keep investing every single month. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.